Big up to Nails Utopia for ordering this screen for me, and it was delivered to SSMC Express International that is located in the Sovereign area, Portmore Pines side lesson in a Portmore. So the package is basically empty. These are two things that I got. First, I must say, great. So I made this purchase from Amazon for the replacement of my damaged screen, and I must say this is well packaged. What's this? This is what is this? I don't know what's that yet, but soon check about that. I guess this is the glue to put on back the screen. This is the screen protector. This is a screen protector, and this is the actual screen. As I said, big up Nails Utopia. My screen is here, and you get these two tools. I guess we pull the phone and put back everything, and blah, blah. But this is extra because remember I bought the phone tool set already. That comes with over 170 different tools in it. But these are just what you get with this. There's not plus nothing wrong with that. You can add them to the collection. I'm supposed to be 100% sure this can pull my phone, but as I stated, let me just get it going and see if all goes well. Let's go. Actually successful, the changing of the screen. As you can see, it come on as a replacement, so I'm now trying to get this piece. Don't know if it's the like the sensors with the eye lock and stuff to put on this one. So I'm going through YouTube now to see how that is being done. So time lapse again. Piece now if I put up back them thing here. These are the guards. I'll put up one too far. Put on back this. Put one over this now. And then we're gonna some more updates and what's taking place on this phone here. Alright, so it's another successful repair. It's now fully active, I even got back my Face ID. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to remove this and put on the screen protector, which is located here. So another fix, DIY something. Feel proud of myself. It's always good for you to try something new. It's always good to challenge yourself, as you never know. And that's my thing. So I'm gonna put on the screen protector and call it a wrap.